Good morning, everyone. My name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. We do real estate content, and today in our real estate segment, I'm about to present a 4-acre parcel of land which is on the market for sale. Now, I am coming live to you from the lush, green, serene, cool Ngata. Like it is just, Ngata is a blend of all those, you know, and you have Ngata. So just imagine, it's a wonderful place to live. It's like a paradise of sort here in Ngata. No wonder even the governor of Nakuru herself, they built their home where? Ngata. You know, there's a reason for that. Okay. So now from here to the Nakuru Eldoret Highway on a straight line, that's about 300 meters, but my landmark is Ruby's Ngata. So Ruby's Ngata, and then I came, turn left, then I came up to this parcel of land. So here we have this 4-acre parcel of land on the market for sale. Well, I wore a suit, maybe ningevaa nguo za shambani, because when they told me, Ezra, there is this, me, I thought I'm coming to, you know, a place that is nicely leveled, etc., where maybe I would have worn some gumboots. I didn't know I'm coming to meet mature grasshopper, you know, bushy in a way, but well and good, this is the place. So now, for an investor, you know, one thing they always ask, okay, or what an investor will ask themselves is, what can I do at that property? You know, that is the first question an investor will ask. Yes, I may want to take it, but what will I do there? So on a 4-acre farm like this, by the way, just next to this farm, I saw the next farm there. They have dairy, and I even had a word with them. They told me they sell their dairy to the locals here. I'm like, okay, so even a factory can, you know, can work here, a dairy factory. You know, there are many farmers here. So for a big investor, you know, those who promised us, we will create factories, we will do value addition, we will do what? I mean, this is, you know, just one of those places you can do such a factory right here in Ngata. 4-acre, I mean, you look at this is huge. This is massive, you know. Now, secondly, for the investors who are looking for land to do gated community establishments, this also is a consideration. I mean, looking around in Ngata, oh, by the way, there are mega mansions around here. People have built in this area. I'm looking this one, I'm seeing mega mansion, right one, another mega mansion, right? I mean, everywhere you turn, you see some wonderful homes around here. So maybe for an investor looking for land to do a gated community, you know, out of town, you know, probably you're targeting retirees, you know, people just want a calm place, they can just be there, and make sure you do them a common area. This idea of just building home, and then there's no common area, no, and a playground. You know, you can even add a swimming pool, you know, for them. Sawa sawa, so that waishi vizuri, you know, for retirees and other, you know, adults, okay? Wale watu ambao washaunda pesa yao, sasa wanataka tu mahali wanatulia. Hapa hivi, you can develop this place, and then hopefully, you know, some people will buy na wakuje wa settle hapa. Now, okay, for a customer in that niche, atajiuliza like, is it worth, you know, the investment? So now, an acre here is 8.7 million Kenya shillings, okay? They are valued at 8.7 million. So let's just do the math, okay? 8.7 million, 8.7. Okay, of course, I believe there is room for talks, okay, for negotiation hapo. Now, 8.7 divided by 8 parcels, okay? Okay, typically a quarter produces 8 parcels of land. Yes, indeed. So that comes to 1087. Do the math as I do it. So 1087 per plot. So it's like you're getting a plot, a 50 by 100 plot for 1 million Kenya shillings. I mean, surely, when you build those homes that you know, you call me to sell them, you're selling them at how much? 10 million, 8 million, 6.5 million, you know, 9 million. I mean, if land alone is going to cost you 1 million shillings, then building that home will cost you about how much? Depending on, you know, the features you'll do in there. I don't know, may cost from 3 million to 5 million, who knows? So if we come to sell it for how much? For 8 million, 10 million, depending on how it is. Are they mansions, bungalows, etc.? I think uko mafutani bado ama? Yeah, I believe so. Exactly. Now, the third customer wa hapa is a farmer. Okay, a farmer. So you take the parcel the way it is, then you do your farming. Now, folks, I don't know if you have watched that video where I visited Shari's farm in Naivasha. So that madam has got just about an acre of parcel of land, Shari's farm Naivasha, an acre. But I'm telling you, the returns she gets from that just 1 acre, she's doing well. All I can say is she's doing well. So she has an ornamental farm there. People go there to learn. People go there for tourism purposes. People just go there to visit. And of course she also does business. She sells sungura. Now she started pig farming. I mean, goat milk, nini, tulikunywa maziwa ya mbuzi pale. So you see, and that is just from an acre parcel of land. So now imagine what you can do from a 4-acre parcel of land. However, you don't have to buy the entire block as a 4-acre. You can buy an acre as well. Can buy 1 acre, mwingine anakuja anunue 1 acre, mwingine anakuja anunue 1 acre, So farming, what I learned from Shari's farm Naivasha is not a must for you to have a huge, 25 acres, 100 acres of land for you, to benefit, from that property. Shari's farm alinifunza kwanza sustainable agriculture from just a small parcel of land is also possible. So a farmer, I don't know your idea, maybe ni pig farming. Kwanza pig farming hapa inaweza hii kishamba kyote hivi. Maybe ni pig farming, maybe ni poultry, maybe ni mayai, kukuza mayai, maybe ni kukuza nyama, whichever. Whichever kind of farming, whether ni crops ama ni animal farming, I believe hapa bado inaweza. So I've looked at those 3 categories of people. Now, they're not selling a 50 by 100. So maybe the other category of person is somebody who's looking for just a big chunk of land where they can retire. They can build their retirement home. So as they retire, what are they also doing? They are also doing farming on the side. So they become self-sustained, sama tunasema aje, like you are doing your farming there, you are getting your skuma from that farm, you have some cows pale, you have some goats pale, you have some chicken pale, like you have a proper homestead, you have your home somewhere, and then rest, maybe you have a garden, maybe unacheza football pale, na wajukuu maybe wakikutembelea, and then the rest of it pale, bado kuna kitchen garden yako pale, and then kuna, I mean, you see that concept. So those are 4 categories of people ambayo nime-mention, which are probable investors of this parcel of land. Now, do you have any other idea which you can do for this property? Well, if you have, then the property is available. If you have been looking for a property to implement your ideas, land that is, well, there is the land, and I'm coming from the lush green, serene, fresh air, fresh atmosphere. Ngata in Nakuru. No wonder the governor of Nakuru, they built their home here in Ngata. By the way, where I am is not too far from her place. Okay? So nikishika hii barabara, niendelee hivi mbele, nitaenda kwa governor nimsalimie kama anakubali salamu. Ama tumsalimie kwa simu. Alright, amukuweka namba yake kwa X. Sasa huyo ni kama hatujamsalamia. Alright, so mpaka hapo folks. See you in the next one. If you have questions, just drop it in the comments. An acre, 8.7 million, so times 4. Of course, you get that math. And of course, there is a room ya pale ya kujiongea. Sawa sawa. So kama uko na maswali, our office line 0791 055678. That is our office line. Tupigie simu and we will respond. Aya, see you in the next one.